Let's face it, you need to know how much of your website traffic is coming from paid sources versus organic sources. So how can you use HighLevel's analytics tool to see your traffic sources inside of your HighLevel websites? Today, I'll show you exactly how you can set this up inside of your website analytics. Now, under Sites Analytics, you can see all sorts of analytics for every different part of your HighLevel sub-account, everything between funnels, websites, QR codes, webinars, blogs, forms, surveys, and external tracking. Now, if you're utilizing any of these features of HighLevel, you can sort between each one and then sort between specific websites, funnels, forms, and so on. And between all of these, we have a ton of great analytics, but today we're talking about down here at the bottom, our acquisition data section. This is what allows us to see what percentage of our traffic is coming from direct traffic, social media, referrals, organic search, and more. Let's take this website for an example. We can see here across multiple dates what percentages are coming from direct traffic, and then by clicking on these different elements, we can turn on or off different parts of our graph. So now we can see just direct. If we click social media, we can see just social media. If we click referral, we can see referral, and organic search the same. We can see all of this here in our traffic channel section, and we can also see more information under source/medium. Now, this gives you more tracking for platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, anywhere that is adding a UTM tracking code to the end of your website URL. And we can know when this is happening because let's say you have a URL of your website in your YouTube description. YouTube automatically will add tracking to that URL. So when someone clicks it, you will know that it's coming from YouTube. And we can use this source/medium section to see exactly that. So if we turn off direct, we can see all of our different platforms coming from YouTube, Google, Facebook, and other, which is just other platforms that this doesn't quite recognize. Lots of platforms automatically will add UTM tracking. Platforms like ChatGPT, Claude, other AI models will do this frequently, as well as basically any social media platform as well. So as long as it's recognized by the system, you'll see your filters here inside of Site Analytics in order to know exactly where everyone is coming from. Now, if you don't have a website on HighLevel, you can still do this with external tracking. Remember at the top, this bottom option for external tracking, we can install an external tracking script under settings, external tracking, in order to track this data on a site that's not in HighLevel 2, which is really helpful. Now, understanding how to use HighLevel's analytics systems like this to see our traffic sources, paid, organic, search, different social media platforms, all of this for our websites is absolutely crucial to scaling your online business. And of course, this is also really helpful for your customers. If you're delivering websites to them and they're using HighLevel, definitely make sure that they know how to use the analytics tab so they can see features like this and get more use out of your platform. Now, of course, if you have any questions about your website analytics, feel free to drop it in the comments on this video or refer to the help doc to learn more about this part of our website analytics tool. Of course, my name is Andrew. I hope you found this helpful and thank you very much for watching.